Welcome guys, today I will tell you about nightlight feature on Motorola Edge 70. So at the beginning, let's find the nightlight feature on Motorola device. Open the settings, go down to the display chapter, here scroll down a little bit more and you will find nightlight feature in eye protection section. So tap on it to open the part, and here we are. Nightlight tints your screen amber. This makes it easier to look at your screen or read in dim light and may help you fall asleep more easily. So you can simply use this toggle to activate nightlight right now, or you can use schedule mode, so to turn on at custom time this mode, or from sunset to sunrise. Also, you can manage intensity of the mode by using this line. That's it about nightlight feature on Motorola Edge 70. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, like it, subscribe our channel, leave some comment below, and see you in the next videos. Bye.